Hello everyone. So today we are going to see how to install the HANA Cockpit. So for the installation of HANA Cockpit, two important things. So very first is as we are going to install on the cloud, so we need to have one VM on the cloud. So you can create VM on any cloud like GCP, AWS or Azure. So I am going to create on the GCP. So I will go to my GCP console and you need to move to compute engine and VM instance. So from this area, so you can add the or install the VM instance from the GCP. So for this demo, I have already created the instance. So you can see it is instance 2. It is at Europe zone and having the 64 GB RAM and 8 CPUs. So if you want to know how to create the instance in on a GCP, the compute engine or VM instance, so I have one video. So I will put the link on description box, so you can check there. So there you can see how to install it. So as I said, for now I have installed, so it is ready to use. And second important prerequisite is, so you need to basically install the or download the HANA Cockpit software. So you can download from the marketplace. So you can see it is at this location, SAP HANA Cockpit 2.0, and select your OS. So for example, my OS is Linux, and you can download latest one. So you can see I have downloaded DSP13 patch 4. So once you download it, so you need to uncar it. So make sure you uncar with signature, so that your signature dot NF file will be get added, so that it is a best practice. Otherwise, you will receive error that you have not uncarred your software properly with with the signature file. So now let's log into our Vim instance. So as I said, it's instance 2. You can log in with root. So I am in VM now. So I have already uploaded the software on the VM. So you can use any tool like WinSCP or other. There are many tools. So you can just download on your desktop the Cockpit software and upload on the cloud VM. So let me show you where I have downloaded. So this is the location, GCP server, and in that location you can see HDBL sim is there. So this HDBL sim is the installation tool. So from which you can install. So same like our HANA installation. So if you have seen my HANA installation video, so same like that. So just dot slash HDBLCM. So very first is asking whether I have any additional components where I have downloaded the software. So I don't have any additional. So all software which whatever I have downloaded from marketplace. So they are at same location. So I will say no. Here it is asking me basically what I want to do. So I want to install. So just index one, because you can see index is one for install whatever action. So it is asking me index. So just one and enter. So here now you can see SAP HANA database version, this cockpit will be installed. So this is our cockpit installation, install on your HANA cockpit system. And it is asking whether you want to install all components or no additional. So I want to go with all. So whatever there I have downloaded. So you can see now it is asking me installation path. So default is HANA shared. So I am fine with default. So you can just enter because default is already took in bracket. So just enter. So hostname is instance 2. So just enter. So it is asking for SID. So you can see it is by default took SID as H4C. So I'm fine with this SID also. So just enter. Instance number 96. So I'm okay with this also. So just enter. Then do you want to enable the data and log encryption? So I don't want to enable. So you can see default it took no. So I'm fine with that. So just enter. Then master password. So this password will be used for SID ADM and your system user. So I'm giving master password. So there will be one more user, cockpit admin. So for that also it will be used. So that is a master password. So a cockpit admin user you will be needing to log in into cockpit. So now it is asking me, do you want to continue? So just say yes and enter. So you can review whatever information you filled and just say yes. So now you can see the cockpit installation has been started. So now it is preparing the packages and then installing the packages. So we need to give some time. So the cockpit installation takes some time as compared to HANA. So if you see, the HANA installation takes almost 15 to 20 minutes, but cockpit will take more time. So basically, it can take some more time, like around 30 minutes or 35 minutes also. So depending upon the VM configuration. So you can see now it is creating instance. So same process. So whatever I shown in the HANA database installation. So same creating instance. Then it will start. Then import some libraries and delivery units. So here more delivery units for the Fury because cockpit runs on Fury. So this how it works. So it will take some time. So let's end video over here. So once it is completely installed, so my next video will be how to configure the cockpit, like what are the initial configuration for the HANA cockpit and what all things you need to do and how to do the basic, how to find out the URLs of cockpit. So that all topics I will be going to cover in the next session. So be in touch and you just uh, you can wait for next video. So thanks for your time. Bye bye.